At the heart of Chinese cuisine, generous use of oil. Without these oil-rich dishes, Chinese food as we know it would be unrecognizable. But what happens to all the used oil? This waste oil has often been lost or even found its way back into restaurants in a food safety nightmare. Now, all over the country, used oil is being collected, packed up, and transported to the specialized Zhenhai refinery in Ningbo, eastern China. Every day, engineer Zhu Liujin is out dealing with restaurant leftovers.
我右手这瓶红色的液体就是大家俗称的地沟油，它颜色非常的深，非常的粘稠。左手这瓶就是经过我们装置处理的生物航媒产品，非常的清澈透明，流动性也非常好，像水一样。
It's much more environmentally friendly than if it was made from fossil oil. Every year, China produces 5 million tons of waste cooking oil. So there's plenty of raw material. But converting the sludgy waste into fuel is no easy task.
地沟油作为原料生产生物航媒，最大的难点在于它含有大量的脂肪酸类化合物，含氧量高达10%到15%，而我们的生物航媒产品几乎不含氧元素。这套装置它就是干这个的。通过我们自主研发的专用催化剂和生产工艺，地沟油在这里经过除茶净化、加氢脱氧、加氢裂化、异构重组、分离提纯等一道道工序，最终蜕变为可供飞机使用的绿色可持续航空燃料。
Cleaning the waste oil is only the first step. Jet aircraft fly at 10,000 meters or more, where temperatures can drop down to minus 50 degrees Celsius. At these temperatures, fuels can become viscous or even freeze hard. Can biofuel avoid this? Zhenhai Refinery's laboratory has prepared an even harsher environment for this newly transformed waste cooking oil, minus 60 degrees Celsius. This temperature is even lower than the extreme cold the aircraft encounter during flight.
这个是普通的柴油，我们可以看到柴油已经完全凝固了。这个是我们的生物航媒，我们可以看到依旧保持着非常好的一个流动性。
Zhenhai is processing 100,000 tons of waste cooking oil a year, the amount used in a city of 10 million. That's reducing carbon emissions in aviation by 80,000 tons, equivalent to removing 50,000 cars from the road. So why is it that we're not sourcing more of our aviation fuel from waste cooking oil? The reality is that the entire process, from collection to final processing, runs at about 3 times the cost of conventional jet fuel. It's expensive, yes, but it cuts carbon emission by more than half. It's a step towards making flying the clean, environmentally friendly travel we all need it to be.